Hello guys, it's me, Russian Inventor, and today is finally time I will show you how to make your own DIY selfie stick, and maybe I will make a vlog with it. So here's the top 5 original comments I'm putting in the video. Comment down below so I will put your comments in the video. Now let's get started. So here are some parts we will need. 2 types of wood, thin and thick. Then we will need the stick. It's a bamboo stick I will be using, but you can use any type of stick, for example PVC. We will need sandpaper, different types of nails, like this and like this. Also, I will use this thing to secure the camera on our monopod, or I will be using this thing because it has a good grip, and yes. So here are dimensions for the monopod if you want to build your oven. As always, I drew the dimensions on the piece of wood. Then I cutted all the sides out. I sanded all the sides of a selfie stick. Then I marked the places where the hole should be drilled. Then I drilled the holes and started putting all the sides together to make a selfie stick. So far I made 2 of those parts. This is the stick and this is the top part, which should go like this. But what about changing the color with so it was more like cooler? So here's how it looks when I'm done coloring. I colored it in acrylic paint. I used green and black. Then I connect two parts together. Then I wrapped electrical tape around the end of a selfie stick to make a good handle. Okay, so this is how the finished project looks like. You can also adjust the angle of the camera. So now let's go somewhere outside to test this thing out. Okay guys, so I'm in the Jackson Park right now, testing this selfie stick or monopod, or however you wanna call it. So yeah, here is the Jackson Park. So yeah, subscribe to my channel to see more videos like that. Like this video if you like it. Comment down below to get in my next video. And I will see you next time.